Right, guys, what I'm at now is I am doing the template. Well, I have done the template for the lino for the floor, or for the vinyl for the floor. Now, everywhere you see, all I've done was I started with this piece here, and this piece went straight into the corner. And all you do then is you add an extra piece. So I added this piece onto this and pushed that into the edge here. Cut it around the molding here. That was another piece. There's another piece here. All the section here is another piece, tiny little piece here for cutting the corner there, and which is also duct taped on. Another piece here, another piece here. This isn't all one piece. Everywhere you see a bit of black tape is all a separate piece. So all I did basically was make a jigsaw. The whole idea being it's actually very, very easy to do that way. That way you're not thinking of all the different edges and all the different angles and all sorts. And this is the final, 1 second, I'll pull it out, because I don't need it anymore. And that's the final result, guys. So the vinyl is all completely fitted here. It's not underneath the cupboard, or underneath the gas cupboard, obviously, because the gas there's a door going on here yet, and it has to be allowable for the gas to go down and escape. So that's that done. So and there'll be from here. This is the fridge going in here, and that'll be all brought in through from the other side. So, guys, that's my back vinyl floor completely finished. Have to say, very, very, very happy with that. Next job now is I want to put my water system back in. I'll explain that to you when it goes in. That's actually sitting inside in the corner there. You can see where the two hoses are inside in the corner there, and the other one here. And I'll explain that to you in the next video. Other than that, the bed has to go in, and that's the back end of this finished. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye-bye.